Hi there, Sydney Brown here. Top tip of the day. One of the things that I think most of us do in the early time of writing and growing as a writer is you either take too much feedback or not enough feedback from other people. You may think that it's your story and it needs to stay your story and not listen to other people, but there is this balance, and you really do need to have that constructive feedback from people who are not in your head. You need to know how other people think so that you get in their head as you write. So really make it an active participation, that when you have an idea and you have an outline, you share that idea with one or two people, not a lot, one or two people, and then when it's drafted, you share it with one or two people and get constructive criticism. Now, if you don't do that, you're just telling stories for your own benefit. If you want people to read and enjoy your stuff, then you need to make sure that you're asking their opinions. One really top tip is to go onto the sales boards and like Amazon and read reviews and see what readers want. Even if it's not your story, you can learn a lot from the reviews.